Good morning. So, everybody is fit, fine, taking good care of your health. You people are even reading about your body, your nervous system, and all in science these days. So, just see what all things are there which you can do to take care of yourself. Keep your immunity high. Now, must be wondering why Amna auntie is showing this. What is this? A palm? 5 fingers. Yes. And five reminds us of what? Five sense organs. So, in science, you will be learning about your sense organs. So, I thought that I'll connect this time drawing with a very interesting abstract one in which we'll try to show all the sense organs. So, for today, I'll be telling you that how you have to draw those abstract line faces, and coloring is again a very interesting technique that I'll be telling you in my next video. Okay, so don't rush, don't be in a hurry. I'll be sending you some sample pictures also towards the end of my after my video. I'll be sending that, so just think that what kind of faces you can draw and compose your picture. Right now, you will just listen carefully and follow my video. See how simple faces I have made. It's not complicated ones, very simple abstract line faces are there. And in class 4, you have done also one face drawing. So it would be a little easy for you to draw. But the painting technique this time is very interesting. I'm sure many of you must have tried it also, but for some it would be new. So, but that I'll be doing in the second video of mine. In this video, only drawing, focus on it, think, make it in rough, try to make it as interesting as possible, and that will only happen if you will listen to my video. You'll watch my video carefully and listen to what I'm telling. So let us not waste time and see what is there in store for you this time in the drawing video. Take care. Thank you. So, children, like we discussed about the sense organs, so we are going to start this abstract face painting, and I hope you will enjoy this. So, to begin with, what first thing we have to do, I'll be arranging three small faces here in which I'll try and cover the sense organs, that is the eyes, nose, mouth, ear, and all. So, for that, what we have to do, I'm starting from here and I'm making a face, right? Like this, and it's a little abstract one, so don't be very particular about the shape. Okay, very unfinished we are going to make, right? Then here we'll be making the eyebrows, the eyes, and kind of we are joining it. We'll not make the way we make eyebrow and then eye and all. We try and join them with the lines, connect them. So here, as you can see, I'm connecting the eyes and all, right? And yeah, so a little unfinished we'll be doing. Here will be the nose, a little again unfinished. You can make like this, or if you want you can just go like this. Okay, then again the lip part here, and again I'm trying that I just join the lines together, so a little unfinished thing will look nice. And here I'm going to give it the face. Here the jawline will come, so I'll just shift the ear a little bit, and this is the jawline. From here only I'm connecting the neck to the shoulder like this. If you want, you can make the eyeball or you can leave it. Then just a little line from here, And this is the shoulder part like this. Then what we can do, I'll just cross one line from here, give it a little shape. Okay, here comes the face, right? Then like this. Okay, now one face I can start from here, and I'll be just starting with the eyebrow. Children, I'll send some sample pictures to you all so that you can just see and try and draw. You can change the shape a little bit. Just keep connecting them to the other lines. Here, see, I have just with one single line I have tried to make the lips. Then I can start like this here, then a little here, this thing. Again I can make a ear a little down here, and from this I can give it the shape of the face like this. Okay, then this line, just I'm adding these lines to give it a little filled up effect. So let's just rotate the lines here and there, connect this line to the face here like this. We can go make it a little small. So I'm rubbing this line, and here we go with the face. Now a unfinished line for the, if you want you can just make one line, don't make two, not necessary. Then this line, this shoulder I'll extend, and again I'll give it a curve and come and join here like this. From here I'll make a side face because we have not made a side face, and this is how you can make the lips, right? So basically the thing should look like the eye, the nose, the ears, exactly the shape not required. Okay, so this way you can make the eyes, and here the lips can go like this, and from here we can start the face, come and join the line here. This can be the neck, it can come out like this. So now if you find that this area is looking a little empty, so you can rub this line and one probably half eyebrow with the eye this way, and here you can connect it to the nose. This line you can always connect to the jawline. So here your jawline can come, then half this type lips you can do, then this line can come and join as the head of this. Fine. So just you have to make the faces in this abstract form and expand. Now after making this all, if you find somewhere that you need to change, you need to make big or small, so that shifting though we can always do, right? Like this. Then if I find that I need some nice proper nose here, then I can rub this and I can just go for a line like this for the nose. Okay, then here I can extend the neck like this. Fine. Or if you want, you have to add this organ also, your hands, you can just make the fingers here, just trace them like this. So we can always try that, is it looking nice or not. If it is not, then you can always rub it. You can just make two fingers here, so just to give the feel of all the sense organs like this, right? So this is the drawing that you have to do for the topic that you'll be taking up in science with Nupur auntie, or you must have started. Okay. Now whatever changes I think I need to do, I can do later on once I'm done. Right? So this is how you will do. Now if you feel that the hands are not looking nice, you can always rub it off. You can rub the lines. We can just play with these sense organs. Here if you want, you can take a line like this for the shoulder. Okay, here it can go here. So I am rubbing the lines, these finger lines, because it is not suiting the whole picture. So you can always try and see what is looking nice, what is fitting into the picture, what is not, and you can just do the composition. So this is how you have to finish this. The coloring I'll be telling you in the next video, because it is a different type of technique in which we will color. Many of you might know, I'm not sure, but it would be a new one for many of you. So after this video, I'll be sending some sample pictures also for you all to see that how you can make it. So no outlining or coloring this week. This week you will only focus on the drawing, because drawing in this topic, drawing has an important role. If you will not be able to draw faces nicely, then the picture will not come out nice. So just get down to work, try and develop nice composition, and next week when I come with my next video, I'll teach you in that how to draw. Till then, take care. Bye bye.